Yo, what's up? How you doing? I'm Damian from TheMonkeys, and today I think will be the riding vlog, little update from Kuta in Bali, Indonesia. Obviously, if somehow you don't know and you have clicked this video, don't forget to subscribe, stuff like this. And it's already January 2022, second half of January 22, and let's see if it's any improvements, any change regarding the tourist industry and how it looks in Kuta right now. Is it better or is it the same? Let's see. There are some tourists here, local and international, just at the front of the Poppies 1. Today we are heading to Poppies Lane 2, but anyway, I vlogged last time in the Poppies Lane 1 over here. Situation. There used to be McDonald's long time ago, and I'm gonna show you exactly where is the entrance to the Poppies Lane 2. Famous Poppies Lane 2 is close by here. Right here, just at the front of the Sheraton gate in Kuta. If you are not familiar, where is it? It's just over here. This is one-way road system, but the motorbikes driving both lanes. Warungs here today are open, almost all of them, at least at the front of the Kuta street, close to the beach in Kuta. That's a good improvement. However, except that as they are open and the sellers waiting on the street, waiting for the customers, unfortunately, seems like there is no much customers. There is not even much people walking around. Well, this is the back gate to the Beach Walk Mall, the most famous mall in Bali. And well, this is like workers here buying the stuff, mostly the food, coming from the mall, buying the food, lunch from these people on the motorbikes. Also some warungs here was selling the merches before, like merchandise, stuff like this. They transform now into selling food. Also here, as you see, there are workers from the beach walk, I guess, selling food, eating food on the left and on the right. And this is Poppies Lane 2. Poppies Lane 2 is famous especially for shopping strolls. So many small boutique actually warungs shops like this on the left, on the right, selling the t-shirts, merchandise, also the tattoo shops, massages and things like this. Also many local guest houses and hostels here. If you are not familiar somehow with the Poppies Lane 2, this is how it looks. The shops like this supposed to be open everywhere. Also the massage ladies here waiting potentially for the customers of many massage shops on the left and on the right. Also here supposed to be many local warungs, local restaurants, but due to the situation they are closed. However, I can say currently right now, after driving here for about 2 minutes, as little bit is slightly more alive than I was here last time. Last time, also a month ago, I used to show you walk actually in Poppies Lane 1. When I walked there, people said Poppies Lane 2 is more busier, but 2-3 months ago when I showed you Poppies Lane 2, people said as Poppies 1 is actually more busier. Reality is as not really much has changed anywhere around on the Poppies Lane 2 or 1. However, I could say maybe slightly improvement here. Maybe not improvement as many more people walking around or maybe more customers or tourists. Just the difference is as the some warungs are open. People have a big hope as the tourism gonna come back in this year very soon. Everybody hope is already 2 years, but still you can see the consequences of being closed for international tourism for 2 years. Nearly 2 years. It's already January 2022, and well, it's still deserted, I could say, because if we are comparing to previous time, this street supposed to be busy, really extremely busy, as will be hard to walk. Anyway, Sky Garden VIP at the front and the Kuta Bomb Monument also not much busier here. Sky Garden is closed. Many people asking me about Sky Garden till now, but it's closed and nobody know if ever will be open again. It was closed before current situation. And little bit of the Legian Street, obviously here, Banti discotheque, famous place, Paddys Pub. Well, no words needed, no commentary needed. You can see how does it look like. And this is the entrance to the Gang Jalan Benasari in Legian, Kuta. This is like a continuation, I could say, to Poppies Lane 2 and 1. Obviously different street, but the same vibe and the same town, I could say. Also supposed to be very busy, but at the moment seems it's the same like a Poppies Lane 2. Is very quiet. Many sports bar here supposed to be. That's the biggest difference to Poppies Lane 2, as here is little bit more hotel, hostel, guest houses, and more sports bar, where you can have obviously few beers and watching the sports, as the name of the sports bar I mean. And well, if you're gonna go all the time straight, there will be Kuta, close to the Kuta beach, actually next to Windham Hotel, but this is one-way road system. We have to go right here. I used to do already vlog like this few times, so you can see, compare how does it look like. Baxo, some nice Vespa here, but after that not much really has changed again. Actually, yeah, I could say more businesses are open, and I think many local warungs transform into very local warung. I mean, like a sports bar or shop selling the merch, they transform into selling local food, like a bakso or any kind of satay or nasi champur or something like this, at least in few places here. Also, this area is very famous for the Kuta surfers, Legian surfers. Many surf shops here, or at least supposed to be many shops here, surf shops. Here's also 4 Points by Sheraton, City Hotel by Marriott, yeah, and any other more hotels. But well, not much really has changed since I was here last time. Really not much, still very quiet, and many things are simply closed. Deserted, sad view. In simple words, it's very sad. But this is already like 2 years, and to compare to my thoughts at the beginning of current situation, to compare to the now, actually I don't know what should I say. I have a mixed feelings. It's just sad to watch, sad to drive here. But well, you can comment below. Do you think it's gonna be improvement? It will ever come back to any kind of stage like it was before, or will stay forever like that? Here is the surf shop, what I mentioned last time, even some guy doing something. But after that, here even post office, visa extension agency, something like that, everything is closed because obviously there is no people, no demand, no customers. Tattoo, a lot of people used to making a tattoo in this area of Kuta and Legian. Another surf shop. Maybe the surf shops are handling this so because there are obviously some people who still surf, and many local people. The prices of everything here are already more local, simple words, so maybe they can handle it. But after that, really not much is happening. And this is the only one restaurant what is open. Many people asking me about what restaurants are open. Not many. This Desa Mexico is open, always was open, never was closed. And at the front is the Barong Hotel. Alright guys, this is the quick conclusion at the end. Is January 2022, second half of January, holiday season, local holiday season and international holiday season is over. And I think it's back to the previous stage like a month ago. It's very quiet, not really much has changed. Only the biggest difference is, as I already mentioned, as there are some warungs are open, hoping for some change. But after that, it's very quiet. You can comment below what do you think about that. It will come back something in this year, it will be improvement, or will stay another year like it was. And well, I will see you on next one tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.